Have you ever noticed how some people treat their birthday like it's just another normal day? No countdown, no excitement, no cake obsession. Maybe they even forget it until someone else reminds them. Why does that happen? Are they sad, emotionally strong, or just not into celebrations? Let's understand the psychology behind people who treat their birthday like a regular day. First thing, this habit doesn't mean they're unhappy. Many people simply don't attach emotions to dates. For them, Monday, Sunday, or birthday all feel the same. Their brain focuses more on routines than occasions. They live in the present, not on the calendar. Second, childhood matters a lot. People who grew up without big birthday celebrations often don't see birthdays as special. If something wasn't celebrated early in life, the mind doesn't build emotional value around it later. So as adults, birthdays feel neutral, neither exciting nor sad. Another big reason is discomfort with attention. Birthdays put you in the spotlight, and not everyone likes that. Singing, photos, sudden focus. Some people find it awkward, not joyful. They'd rather quietly enjoy their day than explain why they're smiling at a cake while everyone stares. Then there are people who manage expectations very carefully. When you don't hype a day, you can't be disappointed. No expectations, no emotional crash. If someone wishes them, nice. If not, still fine. That emotional balance feels safe to them. Some also see birthdays as reminders of time passing. Aging doesn't scare them, but it doesn't excite them either. It's just another year added to life, not a festival. The truth is, people who treat birthdays like normal days often value calm, consistency, and inner peace. They don't need one loud day to feel important. They find happiness in small daily moments. So if you're one of them, nothing's wrong with you. You just celebrate life quietly. And honestly, that's its own kind of strength.